life, can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bunny.
Hey guys, I am back with another video for my Addicted Blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing about how you can get this wonderful colorful always on display which Amazfit has secretly added in the latest update. And this looks really good, and these are always on displays which will be displayed in the watch all the time. So it will be a sick video guys. If you are a tech enthusiast and you like tech videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So first of all, I will discuss how you can get this always on display and how to turn on. This always on displays looks really great, and there are not only one always on display, there are multiple colorful always on display. Previously there were two always on displays, one analog and one digital, but now they have changed the default analog always on display also. So I have already made a video on the always on display which were you can check that by clicking on the link on the top, and now you can check how is the difference. So let's see what are the default always on displays now after the update. So you have to go to the settings, and in the settings you have to go to screen of watch face to check the default always on displays. And here you have to check that there are three options: digital watch face, analog watch face. So digital watch face and analog watch face, these are the two always on displays, means default always on display you can say. So in the analog watch face, you can see if I select analog watch face, which is the default analog watch face, and if the screen turns off, so you can see that now it is showing the day also and date also, and it is a colorful always on display. So let's check what is the update which is required to get this type of always on display in the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So the version of the update which is required to get this always on display is 1.0.2.33. So this is the version you should be requiring to get the colorful always on display. And also if you have not updated, you can go to the Zape app and you can click on the system update to update the smartwatch Amazfit GTS 2 Mini to the latest version. So after you update, you can see there are changes in the always on displays. So now let's select the digital always on display. So to select the digital always on display, again you have to go to settings, and there in the screen of watch face you have to select the digital always on display or digital watch face. So once you select the digital watch face, we need to see whether there are changes in the digital watch face also. So you can see that the digital watch face is the same. There is no color display, it is the same as before, only the analog watch face has the color display. So now we will see how we can activate the always on display for different watch faces, how the colorful always on display looking in this smartwatch. So if we click on the screen of watch face, there will be another option, that is digital, analog and follow current watch face. So if you click on the follow current watch face, then you can see that different watch faces has this different type of always on display, and some of them are really good and colorful. So this one looks really good, and this is the watch face for the default Amazfit GTS 2 Mini watch face. So for this watch face, the always on display will be looking like this. So after that, if you change the watch face to something like this one, and if you see the always on display here, it will be a bit different. So here you can see it is not a color always on display, but it is showing the day, the time, the date also, so which looks really great. Now if you change it to something else like this one, which is the Sacred Games watch face, you can check my other videos, there I have mentioned this watch face looks really dope. And you can see this is colorful always on display. There is orange color into it, and there is day, there is date, and this is an analog always on display, which looks really good. And after that, if I select something like this one, So in this one you can see that the always on display is a digital one. So after this, if we go to a different watch face and if we go to something like this one, so this one has also a colorful always on display. You can see there is a bit of orange in here and it looks really dope. So there are numerous always on displays which are added in this update, and those are colorful, but some of the watch faces doesn't have the colorful always on display. It will be the default always on display, so you have to try and check which of the watch faces has the always on display in it and which are the most beautiful and colorful in them. So I have already shown few of them to you guys, and this looks really awesome in the hand. So maybe Amazfit will be adding more always on displays in the future, which will really be awesome for this watch. The value it gives in this price point, this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, is immense, and you are getting this really good looking always on display which is colorful with this update also. So wanted to show you guys this thing. There are no colorful digital always on display right now. I have checked that, but maybe Amazfit will be adding those in the later time. That's it guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.